Good evening or afternoon, whatever you guys want to call it. So it is currently Friday, July 3rd at 5:40 p.m. We are starting another vlog. This vlog ain't going to be that long because it's only going to be 4th of July vlog, actually. I just did a 4th of July makeup look and outfit of the day. It's actually going up tonight because we're going to Mom's tonight. So, yeah, right now we are just having a little bit of a cookout with Mom and Dad. We're waiting on Mom and Dad to get here. We got the kitchen table, her toys and everything. I'm trying not to show everywhere outside. Babe's got the food here starting. And Desi's right there hugging a little bit. She's asleep in her bed. And we also got the pool over. So while we're waiting on Mom and Dad, some of us is going to be getting in the pool. And whoever's not going to be getting in the pool, you know, that's just fine.
I'll be painting.
Desi's going to be painting. So while some of us is in the pool, I'm actually going to set the phone up on the tripod for a little bit and film us in the pool for a little bit. I wanted to do this 4th of July kind of different than what I did my last 4th of July video, which I think that was like 2018. So yeah, I'm going to set you guys up on the tripod. I'm going to change clothes because I am wearing these hot ass pants and this shirt here. It is absolutely hot. So I hope you guys liked my makeup tutorial. So yeah, I will see you guys in just a few minutes in the next clip.
Go get my portrait.
Smells so good, honey.
Damn right.
But don't feel good in the eyeball. Just eat it.
I don't know what to paint next.
Hey, you should do another one like the one that's on the wall.
Like the one in the living room?
But instead of being dark, like night, like have it like a sunset.
But that's a Romeo and Juliet theme.
Do it like in Florida, like you're getting married in Florida. I don't know, it's all good. Okay, do me and him getting married in Florida.
I can't do that.
Do something like that. I don't know.
I don't want to do any more sunsets right now. Because that's all I've done is sunsets and night figures. I want to try something different. I just don't know.
Like an outside picnic.
No, I'm not good at doing people.
Don't do people.
The stick figure.
No, that one was good. What?
Did it get hot?
Hell yeah, it got hot.
Okay, just stick it in the pool water.
Now it's gonna taste like pool water.
The handle, dipshit. Oh, please tell me you're covering the...
Yes, no.
Oh, shit.
Here.
I still gotta eat my coffee. Just don't stress.
If he wants to. I was gonna...
We're still bringing our chairs.
Yeah.
Brandy.
Don't sit on top.
Don't set them on the toilet. You put a hole in my top and I'd kick you in the ass.
Yeah, because I paid $8 for that thing. Actually, I was going to send my there.
Go that way.
first person to sit in the blue chair, I win.
First person to sit in the red.
First to hold the kid outside.
First to the key.
First to your eggs.
Take them.
First to the key. Oh. And yes, I will be filming another cookout and everything, what we're doing for the 4th of July. This is just for today because we wanted to do something with Mom and Dad since we got the grill and, you know, the pool and, you know, everything, and it's summer. So we just wanted to go ahead and do something with Mom and Dad. Don't worry about this right here on his face. I just now give him a big old kiss. So, yeah, which the actual 4th of July cookout we probably won't have until Monday because I gotta wait till after stamps because I ain't got no more hamburger in the house. So we're having hamburgers, hot dogs, pork chops. What else, honey? Excuse me. Potato salad, 2 different kinds, the Amish and the original. We're having egg salad. We're having, I don't know if I'll fix fries today or save them for Monday. But we're having a lot. And then for dessert, I made banana cream pie, 2 of them. One for Mom and Dad to take home with them, and then one for us to keep here. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm just listening to music. Sorry if you guys can hear it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just sitting here holding him. So yeah, I will see you guys in just a few minutes.
The mother burger's gonna be thick as fuck.
Sorry.
I'm not smashing them.
You playing with Bubby?
It's so hot.
Are you playing with
I thought
Bubby?
they'd shrink anyway, so.
Are you
What?
playing with Bubby?
Wait. Where's the smoker grill?
You didn't say anything. What?
Matthew, I need a plate.
Run!
You want to wait?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Put it
This is
down.
Cow. That's Cow.
That's Cow.
Oh, which one are you? This one is Trigger.
That's Twigga.
Here is Gremlin. And this one's Letty.
That one there's Lady from Fast and Furious.
Oh, look at you.
That's Gremlin.
Look at you.
That knows the loudmouth.
What Letty? Letty's a cuddle buddy. This one's Letty.
Listen.
That's Cow. Cow hides.
Yep.
I thought it was on. Hold on.
No.
Okay, now you're going to hook yourself out. Well, I'm back. Oh, let me lay on my back. Oh, pull me. You how I had you now. Look at that. I've gotten stronger. Yep. Ow, my foot. Okay, I'll sit over there.
Alright, good evening everyone. Another part of the 4th of July vlog. Sorry you guys can barely see me. I'm actually sitting in the van right now. So, it is currently 7:22 in the afternoon, or evening, whatever you guys want to call it. Me and Babe's just washing off the truck. Just have something to do. So yeah, I thought I would do another part of the vlog. Like I said, I am actually sitting in the van, as you guys can see. So, that's what I'm doing. So, I figured I'd just do another part of the vlog to let you guys know how everything's going. We are having a cookout for today, like the 4th of July cookout. Monday, because after we had the cookout last night and stuff, Mom and Dad's too tired. We got to actually go to Mom's so I can pick back up my ring light because the little foot on the bottom broke. No, I'm not driving. I'm just sitting in the driver's seat because it's easier to get in and out of. So, like I said, we're just washing off the truck, getting everything ready for grocery shopping tomorrow, which I actually might vlog tomorrow too, and just say piss on it and keep the vlog going until at least Monday or Tuesday. So, because like I said, it's a 4th of July vlog, so 4th of July weekend vlog. So I got so on the brain. I don't know what's wrong with that. But yeah, I think tonight for supper we're having what did I say? Sloppy Joes. We're having Sloppy Joes, and I said something else to go along with it. I forgot what else I said. But it is like, shit, it's not a truck. It's like almost 90 degrees still. So, all the kids are asleep, so me and Babe's washing the truck. And where the truck is, it's, you know, by the back door and stuff, so. So yeah, I thought I would do another part of the vlog to let you guys know how everything's going. And if anybody, like our neighbors and everything, shoots off fireworks tonight, I will do clips of that for you guys. And I don't know if anybody in town is like doing the 4th of July party thing that they do every year. I don't know if they're going to do that this year or not because of the cough virus. So, but yeah, I guess I will see you guys in another part of the vlog. I will show you guys how the truck looks right now. So yeah. So this is what Betsy looks like now. As you guys can see, a little bit's awake. So yeah, this is what she looks like now. We got all her toys laying right there because he was mowing today, and we got the grill right there. So yeah. Welcome back to another part of the vlog. It is 8:34 at night now. Last time I talked to you guys, it was like 7 something. We was washing off the truck and stuff. Well, we're in the truck. I just thought I'd come on here and do like a little update again for you guys to tell you that me and him is going to be taking the kids over here to town to the fireworks show thingy tonight. So that's what we're fixing to do. We just now went and got gas and stuff. That's why we're in the truck. So we can take the kids out, let them watch fireworks and stuff. So, and then when I told him, I said that we ain't going to stay too long, just enough to watch like 1 or 2 things of fireworks if we can get out, because our neighbors will probably shoot off fireworks tonight, and I don't want to miss them either. So, there's somebody over here at Ricky's Dollar Store is already shooting them off because it's like really smoky over there. It's just, I'm still like a kid at heart when it comes to fireworks. Because I was wanting us to do like fireworks and all that kind of stuff for the cookout today. But we had the cookout last night, which was a family get together. Huh? Our financial status thing right now is a little bit on the short-handed. So, we can't get no fireworks or anything. But Monday, we might be able to get fireworks. Because people around Sandy Hook area, if you live in Sandy Hook, or know Sandy Hook like I do, even the end of July, people still set off fireworks, you know. It's just something with Sandy Hook. They like setting off fireworks beginning of June all the way to the end of July, when they first set up the 4th of July tank things for the fireworks and stuff. But I'm still a kid at heart when it comes to that stuff, because growing up, me and Mom and Dad would always sit outside and, you know, watch the neighbors shoot off fireworks. Or Dad would always shoot off fireworks. So it was like the same thing I'm doing for my kids. And last year, when we was at the apartment, we couldn't shoot it. Huh? You do? See, last year when we was at the apartment and stuff, we couldn't set off fireworks or have a cookout. Now that we're away from the apartment and everything, we can actually do that, so, and it actually feels good. So I hope you guys enjoyed my 4th of July makeup tutorial last night. It took me like an hour to edit it. And I'm sorry I didn't do a voiceover on the outfit part. I just threw forgot all about it. It was like 11 o'clock when I actually got to start editing it because Mom and Dad came over and stuff, and we had so much fun with them. I didn't want to sit there and edit. So, but yeah, we are going to get the kids and go to town, sit there, and get a little bit of McDonald's. So, get a little bit of McDonald's while we're watching the fireworks. So, yeah, I will see you guys when we get back in town.
He's not paying a bit of attention to it. Where you going? Look. Look up there. What? I see it.
Boat.
It ain't no boat. Making me move.
Sissy.
I see it. What you doing, buddy?
Alright.
Huh? Sit right here.
Hang on.
There's 6 of them.
But what if I want to worry about it?
But don't, because it ain't none of your damn. Fat boys up still.
Mm-hmm.
With this and like the water.
Mm-hmm.
Midget. yourself. Like
You're right. Chocolate.
Currently Monday, July 6th, and it is 11:37 in the morning. We got things to do for the 4th of July cookout today. I just gotta pay my phone bill. So, because my cell phone bill is due today, because I barely got many minutes or data left, so yeah, we're having to pay the phone bill. Then we're going to go to the dollar store to get some more stuff for the grill. We gotta get more charcoal. We gotta get more lemon foil. I'm gonna probably get like a tablecloth. That's why if we spill something, you know, it won't be that much to clean up. It won't be like a hassle to clean up or anything. Let's see. What else? I'm gonna get something to drink. I'm gonna get me a Monster. I'm gonna get him a Sprite Zero, because that's what he's wanting. And the kids are at the house. Desi and Philo's watching the babies. So, it's just me and him. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna end this vlog after the cookout and stuff. So, that is what I'm doing. So I will see you guys shortly. Hold on. Looking good, honey.
water fluid. I ain't even know how to 100 degrees. I need it.
Okay, so now it is currently 2:30 in the afternoon. Babe's got the grill going. As you guys can see, he's already starting to fix everything. I'm just making macaroni and cheese and mashed potatoes and gravy. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah. Baked beans are almost done. Sir, you guys are looking at a towel. I'm going to eliminate foil. So I got 2 pots of water on, one for the macaroni and cheese and one for the mashed potatoes. Now I gotta get a pot ready for gravy. We need there's none over here. Two things of gravy or one?
I would say probably just one.
Because it's just gonna be me, you, mom, and dad, and Ashley.
You get to this door for me. Let's barbecue sauce.
potatoes. Don't want that much better. Where's that? Salt and pepper. And just a splash of my garlic and herb seasoning. Okay. Now I'm just waiting on the water to get hot. And now I got a pan for my gravy. Okay, everything is just about done. I hope you guys enjoyed this 4th of July vlog. Sorry I didn't film much of us today and Saturday like I told you guys I was going to do. But it was just more of me spending time with Mom and Dad, having fun and everything. And while they was here, Mom dyed my hair, so my hair is completely pitch black. We used a lot of hair dye. It's all over my nails, right here on my chest, it's on my bra straps, it's all over my tattoos, and the main thing, it is still on the back of my neck and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this 4th of July vlog. Please give it a big thumbs up. Go down and subscribe if you ain't already to become a member of my family. And I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to turn on the little bell to be notified when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.